My name's Matt. I'm an aircraft maintenance engineer from Cairns. I work on the Challenger 604 and the Dash 8. I started off in the hospitality industry for 3 years, and then I've been in the aviation industry for the last 17 years. I enjoy the team in Cairns. I enjoy problem solving, sorting out issues and getting the aircraft in a serviceable state and getting it out on time. With the 6 on 6 off roster, you have a very good lifestyle. On the weekends I take my caravan out with the family and we go exploring around parts of Queensland. It's really good.